Welcome to Home Decor Inspiration, the ultimate destination for all things interior design.
Imagine stepping into your outdoor patio and being instantly transported to a space that feels like a luxurious retreat or a cozy escape, designed just for you. Whether you're hosting friends for a summer barbecue, relaxing with a book, or simply enjoying a quiet moment with your morning coffee, your patio can be so much more than just an outdoor space. It's your canvas to create a slice of paradise at home. In today's video, we're sharing some truly gorgeous patio decorating ideas that will inspire you to reimagine your outdoor space. From choosing the right furniture to layering textures and adding the perfect lighting, we've got it all covered. Ready to transform your patio into a dream destination? Let's dive in. Your patio is an extension of your home, so it should reflect your unique personality and lifestyle. Begin by selecting furniture that sets the tone, be it sleek and modern, rustic and natural, or bold and bohemian. Look for durable yet stylish pieces like weather-resistant sectional sofas, cozy armchairs, or a charming wooden dining set. For those who entertain often, consider modular seating that can be rearranged to accommodate guests. Don't forget to add cushions and throws for extra comfort. Mix textures like wicker, metal, or rattan to create visual interest and functionality. Want to make a statement? Choose a bold accent chair or a vibrant coffee table as a focal point. Every great design has a centerpiece, and your patio should be no exception. A fire pit surrounded by comfortable seating is perfect for chilly evenings, while a bold outdoor rug can anchor your space and tie together your furniture. A water feature, such as a small fountain or a reflecting pool, adds a soothing touch and a sense of luxury. If you're looking to add shade and style, consider a pergola adorned with string lights or sheer curtains. This not only creates a visual focal point, but also defines the space, making it feel cozier and more inviting. Love greenery? A vertical garden or a collection of statement planters with lush plants can transform your patio into a serene oasis. Incorporate layers of height with hanging baskets or tall potted trees for added depth and dimension. If you're loving these tips so far, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss more inspiring ideas. And while you're at it, give this video a thumbs up and leave us a comment below about your dream patio makeover. The secret to a stunning patio lies in the details. Textures and colors can completely transform your space, giving it personality and charm. Start with an outdoor rug to ground the area and introduce a pop of color. Add patterned throw pillows and colorful seat cushions to bring vibrancy to neutral furniture. Choose a color palette that complements your surroundings. For example, earthy tones like terracotta, sage green, and beige work beautifully in natural settings, while tropical hues like turquoise, coral, and lime green create a playful, summery vibe. Layering textures like jute, cotton, ceramic, and glass helps create depth and warmth. Include outdoor-safe decor items such as lanterns, sculptures, or even a weatherproof art piece for a unique touch. Lighting is the magic ingredient that can completely transform your patio, especially as the sun sets. String lights are a classic choice, instantly adding warmth and charm. Solar-powered lanterns and LED candles are perfect for creating a cozy atmosphere without the hassle of wiring. Want to highlight specific features? Use spotlights or uplights to draw attention to a tree, a garden wall, or a water feature. Pathway lights are practical and stylish, ensuring safe navigation while enhancing the overall look. For those looking to make a bold statement, consider pendant lights or chandeliers designed for outdoor use. They can create a dramatic and elegant focal point above a dining table or seating area. The best patios aren't just beautiful, they're also functional and comfortable. Adding practical elements like a bar cart for entertaining, a grill for outdoor cooking, or side tables for convenience can make all the difference. Shade is essential for daytime enjoyment, so consider adding a chic umbrella, a retractable awning, or even natural options like a large tree or a trellis covered in climbing plants. Comfort is key. Use plush cushions, ergonomic seating, and soft throws to make your patio a place where you'll want to linger. Want to go all out? Add an outdoor daybed, a hammock, or a swing chair for the ultimate relaxation spot. If you live in a cooler climate, invest in a patio heater or a fire table to extend the use of your patio into the fall and winter months. And there you have it, 5 gorgeous outdoor patio decorating ideas to help you transform your space into an oasis you'll never want to leave. From selecting the perfect furniture to adding cozy lighting, these tips are designed to inspire and elevate your outdoor living experience. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe for more amazing ideas, hit the like button, and leave us a comment about which patio idea you love the most or plan to try. Thank you for watching, and remember, your dream patio is just a few steps away. See you in the next video.